Welcome students. Today we will see the last part of the topic engineering curves, that is how to draw a helix. So the question goes like this: draw an helix of pitch equal to 80 mm for a cylinder of 70 mm diameter. So let us proceed to the construction part now. So in the question it was given the diameter of the circle as 70 mm. So first we will draw a circle of radius 35 mm. Please note that in this the circle will be dark. Then, as usual, we have to divide this circle into 8 parts. Now, we have to draw one XY line. Now, we'll give the names to all the points on the circle. So, starting from 1 on this side, then 2, and so on. And also, we will name the center as C. Now, after naming the points on the circle, we have to take the projectors of each of the point on the XY line. Now, from the extreme left, you have to take the projector up, and on this projector from this XY line, I will name this as XX line. So on this projector above XY line, you have to measure the pitch of the circle. So the pitch of the circle was given to be as 80 mm pitch. Here it is given, draw an helix of pitch equal to 80 mm. So we will measure 80 mm from XY line. So you can see here on the screen, I am measuring 80 mm on this projector on above XY line. So I will make it dark. Similarly, from the extreme right, we have to do the same thing. So I have marked 80 now, and I will draw a line. And then finally we'll complete the rectangle. Now, after drawing this rectangle of size equal to pitch or height equal to pitch, that is 80, we need to divide this height, or we need to divide this pitch into same number of equal parts as that of the circle. So we have divided the circle into 8 parts. So we have to divide this pitch also into 8 parts. For that, we have the technique of parallel lines. So we will keep here the scale, measure any angle theta less than 30 or around 30. Exactly same procedure what we had followed earlier. Then I will mark 1 centimeter here because of the space constraints. You can also mark 2 but it should be equidistance. So the first point will be this, then second, then third, then fourth, fifth, sixth part, seven, and finally eight. And then what we do is we connect the last part with the last point of the pitch. That is this one. And then similarly by using parallel lines, connect all the points. After this, we will also name the points on this particular line. Now the important part is the naming part. Normally we used to give number from 1 to starting from 1. But here we have to see the things, the projections. If you can see that the projection from 5, we have taken the projection from number 5 till this part. So this first part will be starting from 5 only. So we'll number this point as 5. So this is point 5. Then going sequentially. So after 5, it is point 6, then point 7, then point 8. After 8, it will be point 1, then 2, 3, 4, and finally it will end at 5 for one complete revolution. Now, after this, you need to take the projectors from each and every point, vertical projectors from all the point on the circle. So we will draw vertical projectors from point 4 and 6. Similarly, from point 3 and 7. We have to make the projectors from all the points from 2 and 8, and from point 1, which is already there. And similarly, now we have to draw the projectors from all the points on this pitch. So starting from point 6, we have to mark the points of intersection. For example, the projector from point number 5 is coming from down and intersecting the projector of 5 at this particular point. So this point will be marked as point P5. Similarly, this is a horizontal projector from point 6, and we have to take the vertical projector from point 6, which is this one. So the point at which they intersect, that is this, will be marked as point P6. Similarly, we'll move further. Point 7 projector is here, and the intersecting projector will be this. So this is point 7. Then proceeding further in the similar way for point 8, this is the horizontal projector. This is the vertical projector. The intersection is this. So this will be point P8. Then P1 will be this one. Then 2, projector of 2 and projector of 2 from down will be this. Then point 3 will be here on the projector intersections of horizontal and vertical projectors. Then point 4, and then finally point 5 again. Now you need to join this all points by means of a smooth curve. Now, one point important noting is this all points from point number 5 to point number 6, 7, 8, and 1. If you are looking from this side, this all points are visible 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Hence, it will be joined by a dark line. But for the points 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, it is going backside of the center C. So that will be joined by a dotted line. It will be a curve, but it will be a dotted curve. So this curve, which we have just now drawn, is nothing but the helix. So I hope that you have understood the concept of or the method of drawing the helix. And with this, we complete the chapter on engineering curves. Thank you.